how to fix Instagram golden refresh feed. Hello guys, so welcome to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram golden refresh feed easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram, click on force stop, and then go down to the power usage details. Disable the power consumption alert, enable it again, go back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and here make sure that to disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.